we got an eel!
Right, wait, I just don't want it to hurt it. Right. Okay. Get this hook out of its mouth.
Oh shit, it hurt. It bit me. We're helping you.
These animals are really hard to handle. Wow. Okay.
Oh, he swallowed it down. Wait.
I think I'm gonna have to eat them.
Okay, so this here is a freshwater eel. And as you can see, they're so hard to handle. Holy crap, dude. And he swallowed the hook right down. So, chances are slim for his survival, but we're going to use him. So it's legal to catch these guys, but good size. They can get a hell of a lot bigger than this. This is tiny compared to the ones we've seen around here. But you can see the sinker. Yeah, he swallowed it. Swallowed the hook right down. Sorry, buddy. Now, they give you a good bite. We've been bitten before. It's good. Right, we're gonna get the eel down up here. Right, go around. Just try and spot him. Ah! Oh, he keeps biting me, dude. Ah! Ah! Ah!
See?
Ah!
Let's see. Oh, dude, that one's... Oh, dude, that's not cool. That's a bad one. Look at that.
But yeah.
No, okay. Right, so we're cooking eel today.
No, he's done.
Today, we're going to be cooking up some
Eel.
eel. Yeah.
So today, we're going to be cooking up the eel we caught. And if you have a look over here, we're going to be cooking our eel on this portable gas stove. And our ingredients are salt and pepper, organic extra virgin olive oil. We got our... Dude, did you hear that? I think it growled.
Ah! That's still alive, dude.
Some flour.
Yeah, yep.
And these are just our knives. You don't need to see those. Tell me when.
Yep.
Just pause
Okay.
it.
Keep going,
Mate,
keep
it's got to
going,
fill
keep
the whole
going.
bottom.
Keep going.
It's nearly done, so you may as well just use the rest.
No. You idiot.
Mate, you're wasting it. Mate. You're such a cheapskate.
Now I have to buy another
Such
bottle.
a bloody cheapskate.
No.
Okay, just put the lid on and let it cook.
While the oil is heating up, we're gonna fillet this bad boy.
No, seriously, dude, nothing's happening.
Yeah, it is. It's smoking. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to chop up its head out.
No, stop.
There.
Caleb, stop. What are you... Mate, what are you doing?
I'm chopping off the head.
You don't chop the head off. Oh, that's right.
You chop off its head.
No, I'm doing it. I'm doing it my own way.
Ready?
Don't hit my fingers. Oh, you're gonna hit my fingers.
What the hell is that?
You get a stick that works.
Welcome to our kitchen.
So from the bum hole down there. That's all guts. We don't want that. From the bum hole upwards in the middle.
Got him.
Oh!
Oh! Put the camera on that. Put the camera on it. Put the camera on it.
No, fill it.
Put the camera on it.
Fill it.
Whoa!
Dude, get a bucket of water.
What the hell just happened?
Get a bucket of water, Caleb. Caleb, get a bucket of water.
No, I think water makes it even worse.
Oh, that doesn't.
I think it does. Our pot's on fire.
Caleb, what do we do?
I don't know. Mom, what are we doing? Oh,
Starving it of oxygen.
oxygen plus heat plus energy mix.
Dude, my pot is black. Oh no, this is how it happened last. I can barely breathe.
Oh, put the lid.
I can't.
I can't breathe. I think we're gonna have to eat the eel raw. Our last resort is eating it raw.
Oh, mine's all dirty now.
That's the stuff you want.
Dude, I think its heart just fell out. There you go. Right. We got a flame. See, this is getting a bit weak. But I found this in the bush. All the set. The grill, this thing,
Yep.
the whole thing was found in the bush.
Wow.
That's still thawing good, so
Yep.
so far we're doing alright.
10 more minutes, I say. 10, 15, until we get a nice bed of coals, and then put the grill on and back it on. What do you reckon?
Yep. We kind of ruined the eel. But yeah. Okay, so here's the fillets. Now, we're going to cook them on the alfoil here. Now, lemon. What we'll do is we'll just... Oh, look at that! Right, we'll just...
You idiot.
So we'll just slice this lemon. Right, so we're just going to slice up this lemon.
Just hold the camera. Oh, you can't now.
See all this lemon juice? We'll just smother that eel fillet.
Smother it.
Alright, so here's our first fillet. Ready for the fire.
Awesome. The rest of the eel we are using for bait. Now we're going camping soon, so hopefully we can catch a few fish while we're there, even crabs, so should be good. Smother it.
Oh, yeah!
Ah, my cut. It's burning.
I don't think you meant to
It's
suck
burning
you.
like acid.
So what we've done is we've cracked some pepper over the fillet. Why are you
You've used the
rubbing
lemon.
it?
You've used all the lemon.
Mate, there's a whole piece of lemon right there. Holy shit. Right, wrap it up, and we're sweet.
That's a good lemon.
Cheers, Bazza!
Cheers!
Right, the fence palings are cooking up nicely. Right, we'll run out of charge. Just one take, right? No, it didn't work. Right, so they've been cooking for a couple of minutes now, and we'll open up this one here. Just get a look inside, see how it's going. Oh, that's right. We wrapped it up 1,000 times.
Yeah.
We'll just take this off the flame.
Yeah.
We'll just have a quick look how it's going.
Yep.
What's wrong with black
Like
Caleb?
every other thing we tend to cook. Oh.
Is that you?
Yeah, that was me. I was smelling it. Right.
Dude.
It's going well. It isn't cooked yet, but...
I can smell the lemon in it.
Yep. Yup.
Alright.
Damn. Yeah. Which way was it on? Which side?
Alright. Don't drop it. Chuck it
Right
on
here?
board. Yep, smack it right there. So,
This better be good.
what was that?
Oh, 10 minutes, I'd say.
So, let the feast begin.
This thing sucks.
Yeah.
Long one.
Let's just open them both up. You don't need that. It's not hot.
Alright. Moment of
Okay,
truth.
get down. Can you
Oh.
move? Can you see the proportions? You're like...
Moment of truth.
So laugh if mine is better than yours.
Oh, I smell that. That looks so good.
Slow down, I haven't even got my first wrap on them. Those omega-3 vitamins are just oozing out onto my fingers. Ah! Mine's gonna be black because it never got taken off and it never got flipped. Now, I just don't think there's a better way to spend Friday afternoon. Right, first bite of the freshwater eel. Right.
It's more bony than I expected.
Could have gone for a bit less. I think it's a little bit overcooked. See how that knee's getting in my way? I'll ask you for the last time before I knock you out. Yeah. I've had better.
Good job. Stay tuned, guys. We'll see you on the next adventure.
Did you just touch my lens?